Grab your beanie, we're heading to the tundra. Polar Blast is the latest weekend VBS theme from Group Publishing, and we are so excited to tell you all about it. Hi VBS Directors, I'm Lauren from Concordia Supply, and welcome to our first look at VBS 2027 series. In this video, we are covering the latest VBS theme released by Group, titled Polar Blast. This 2-day VBS transforms your church into a frozen adventure where kids chill with new friends and warm up to Jesus, the coolest and most loving friend of all. Let's take a deeper dive into this theme together. First, the setting. This theme transforms your church into a frozen landscape with ice caps, aurora borealis skies, and chilly waters filled with cool critters. Think penguins waddling around, polar bears roaming, and walruses splashing through the scene. But what makes this VBS so special is not its unique theme, but the message it teaches kids. Every year, Group intentionally creates and field tests their VBS to be an unforgettable Bible experience, and Polar Blast is no different. Designed as a 2-day weekend experience, this theme packs a powerful message in a short amount of time. Over 2 days, kids explore 2 foundational Bible stories: Jesus welcoming the children and Jesus welcoming the thief on the cross during his crucifixion, both anchored in the same powerful truth that Jesus' love is truly unfailing. VBS Directors will love Polar Blast because it teaches kids that Jesus' love is forever and unconditional, a foundational Bible truth for every child's faith journey. Ready to have a summer filled with penguins? Secure your starter kit today at concordiasupply.com/VBS and unlock a free gift from our VBS 2027 collection. This offer is only available for a limited time, so grab your VBS gift while you can. For more insights, ideas, and every resource that you need for your VBS, visit us at concordiasupply.com/VBS or chat with one of our experts at 1-800-521-0751. We are here and ready to help you plan your best VBS from start to finish.